Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to upgrade your battle pass on your League of Legends. So at first, all you have to do is just open your game through the right client. And as you open your game, you're on this home screen as I am. So just stay at this home screen and look at the left top for this option right here, TFT, and just select this at first. And as you view the space, you can see the option right here, upgrade pass. So all you have to do is just click on this option right here. And as you click it, you are redirected to this page and just select any of this option you wanted for yourself. And you need RP points to buy this or upgrade the battle pass on your League of Legends. So guys, that's how you upgrade the battle pass on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.